Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in a women's cell. It's important to know your rights and the process to seek assistance. Before you begin, take time to gather all necessary information and evidence related to your concern. This preparation is crucial for a strong and clear complaint. Understanding the cell's role in providing support and intervention will guide your initial steps effectively. Once you have gathered your information, the next step is to prepare your formal complaint. Write down all details clearly, including specific dates, times, and locations. Be sure to name any individuals involved and list any witnesses. Attaching supporting documents, such as photographs or messages, can significantly strengthen your case. Aim for a factual and objective account of the events. When it comes to performance, the Victory Cockpit is engineered to handle wheelbases with up to 10 Newton-meters of torque, offering precise and realistic feedback. It is widely compatible with many entry-level and mid-range electronics, including popular brands like Logitech, Thrustmaster, and Fanatec. The sturdy steel frame ensures minimal flex, contributing to a more immersive and stable racing experience, weighing 53.6 pounds. After submitting your complaint, it is important to follow up periodically to check its status. Be prepared to cooperate fully with any investigations, providing additional information or clarification as requested. The process may take some time, so patience is key. If you feel the need for further guidance or assistance, consider seeking legal advice from a qualified professional to understand your options.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.